Ek is in 2019 met borskanker gediagnoseer. En dit was vir my 'n massiewe skok. Op daai stadium, hoe oud was ek? Ek dink ek was 35, 36, omtrent daar rond. En dit is obviously baie jonk. Mense dink nie dat borskanker iets wat vir jou gaan tref wanneer jy in jou 30's is nie. But I experienced it. En dit het gebeur toe ek besig was om baie dinge in my lewe te beplan. You are in your 30s, you are young, you are like, the world is there for me, and now suddenly, bam, gebeur hierdie ding. En ek is deur die hele shebang. Ek is deur chemo, 4 rounds of chemo, 27 rounds of radiation, double mastectomy. En ek het op daai stadium, dit is hoekom ek moet, I have to point out that I'm turning 40. Maar ek het nie geweet of ek 40 gaan word. En dis hoekom ek baie dankbaar is vir dit, that I'm still young. En op daai stadium te dink ek, that this is it, it's done, I don't know what I'm going to do. En toe kom ek deur dit. And what happened was, ek het altyd myself aanskou as 'n bystander, as voor kanker. I thought I was Wonder Woman, she girl, that girl, what. Maar toe ek daardeur kom, and the only way to get through something is to go through something. There is no way around it. There's no way on top of it. You can't hide from it. En die enigste manier hoe ek daardeur gekom het is om daardeur te gaan. En op daai stadium het ek ook nog baie drome gehad, as I do now. Een van my groot drome was om 'n skrywer te word. Got through that, en toe besef ek, okay, it's almost like you get a new breath. A new life, a new vision of life. You start to realize that absolutely every single moment that you have is an absolute gift. En dit is nie net wat ek iets nou sê as 'n cliché nie. Every single moment that we do get in life is an absolute gift. Elke liewe asem wat ons haal is 'n absolute seëning. En toe besluit ek, okay, what I'm going to do is, ek gaan nou daarvoor gaan. I am going to go for my dream to become a writer. Toe besluit ek om die Jake Scherwel mentorskap program te doen. Dit was verniet, wat vir my baie bly was, want op daai stadium was verniet perfek in my budget. En ek het die program gedoen. Ek het in myself getwyfel, maar ek was ook, I also had the realization that every single moment where I am supposed to be is where I am supposed to be. En ek kan vir die Here baie dankie sê, want 'n jaar later toe word my eerste boek gepublish. En dit was baie dankie. Ek sê nie dit as 'n advertensie nie, ek sê dit omdat ek baie dankbaar voor is. But you can get it on Takealot. It's a audio.
Welcome back here on my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and please pray to the family of the beloved Donna Robert, who passed away on Thursday at the age of 41 years old. The beloved Donna Robert was South African born, who was well known as a writer, as an actress. You know, she will always be missed by a lot of people, because her passing away has left a big gap when it comes to the entertainment industry of South Africa, and when it comes to the life of Kid, because he made so many contribution when it comes to kids by writing so many books of kids around South Africa and around the world. The beloved Donna, this video that she made, she was one of the hotel in South Africa, sharing her journey. This video is very, it's very sad, to see someone shedding tears. I myself, sometimes we do a funeral video, but sometimes we do feel the pain. Lost someone in our family is not something easy to cope with, but we're praying for you. The family of Donna Robert, we're together with you, though we are not around, but our prayer will reach you and we'll continue to pray for you. We know it's a very tough moment. Donna Robert will always be remembered by a lot of people because she contributed a lot. Being an actress, she loved acting. She loved her job of acting. She loved her job as a writer. She loved people. She loved to share with people. It's a very, very hard moment. More prayer to the family of Donna Robert. It's very, very, very painful. At the age of 41, she was still young, but death, we cannot oppose it. But we pray for her. We pray for her soul to rest in peace. About the funeral arrangement, we shall continue to update you if we get the update from the family. But right now, the family, hasn't come out to give update about her funeral. But we continue to pray to her family and other family who have lost their beloved one. May her soul rest in peace, and may God bless you whenever you are watching